Hi, welcome back. This is Chiranjeevi. The today's topic is differential equations. Karnataka CET from 2014 to 2019 solved problems. First one, the order and degree of the differential equation y equal to x into dy by dx plus 2 divided by dy by dx is, which is asked in the year 2014, and the options are given below. Given y equal to x into dy by dx plus 2 divided by dy by dx. If I take LCM, it will be y equal to x into dy by dx whole square plus 2 whole divided by dy by dx. Now cross multiplying y into dy by dx equal to x into dy by dx whole square plus 2. Now seeing this equation, the highest derivative is 1 and its power is 2. So the order is 1 and degree is 2. So the option is C. The next problem, the general solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus y by x equal to 3x is, which is asked in the year 2014. The options are given below. The given equation dy by dx plus y by x equal to 3x. From this, we get the value of P is 1 by x and Q is 3 by x. The linear differential equation is in the form of dy by dx plus Py equal to Q. So where P is 1 by x and Q is 3x. So now the integrating factor e power integral 1 by x dx. Integral 1 by x dx is log x. So it is e power log x. E and log will cancel. So it will be x. The solution for the given equation is y into integrating factor equal to integral of integrating factor into q into dx plus c. So now substituting it is y into x equal to integral x into 3x dx plus c. Y into x equal to taking 3 outside, x into x will become x square dx plus c. Y into x equal to 3 integral of x square is x cube by 3 plus c. So 3 cancels. It will be y into x equal to x cube plus c. Now dividing by x, it will be y equal to x square plus c by x. So the option is B. Next problem. The order of the differential equation of all circles of given radius A is, which is asked in the year 2015. The options are 4, 2, 1 and 3. So here any circle with given radius can be written as x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to a square, where h comma k be the center of the circle, which will be a constant. So in above algebraic equation, there are two arbitrary constants h and k. So order of the differential equation corresponding to above equation will be second order. So the option is B. Next problem, the solution of the differential equation x into dy by dx plus 2y equal to x square is, which is asked in the year 2015. So the options are given below. The given differential equation is x into dy by dx plus 2y equal to x square. The linear differential equation need to be in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q. So dividing both sides by x, dy by dx plus 2y by x equal to x, where p is 2 by x and q is x. So the integrating factor e power integral 2 by x dx equal to e power 2 log x can be taken as e power log x square. So e and log will go, so it will be x square. The solution for the given equation will be y into x square equal to integral of x into x square dx plus c. Y into x square equal to integral x cube dx plus c. Y into x square equal to integral of x cube is x power 4 by 4 plus c. Now dividing by x square, y equal to x square by 4 plus c into x power minus 2. Taking LCM, it will be in the form of x power 4 plus c whole divided by 4x square. So the option D. The next problem, The solution of the differential equation dy by y plus dx by x equal to 0 is, which is asked in the year 2016. The options are given below. So given equation dy by y plus dx by x equal to 0. So which is in the form of variable separable method. Variable separable is nothing but taking y terms on one side and x terms on other side and integrating. So here integrating on both sides. So this will become integral of dy by y plus integral dx by x equal to 0. Integral of dy by y is log y plus integral of dx by x is log x, and integral for a constant will be always log c. So the answer is log y plus log x equal to log c. Log y plus log x can be taken as log x into y equal to log c. Log cancels, so it will be x into y equal to c. Log addition can be taken as log multiplication. So the option is. So now the next problem, integrating factor of x into dy by dx minus y equal to x power 4 minus 3x, which is asked in the year 2016. Options are given below. Given x into dy by dx minus y equal to x power 4 minus 3x. Dividing by x, we get dy by dx minus y by x equal to x cube minus 3. So where p value is minus 1 by x. So integrating factor is e power minus integral of 1 by x dx. Integrating factor is e power integral p dx. So the p value is minus 1 by x. So integral of 1 by x is log x. So it will be e power minus log x. E power minus log x can be taken as e power log x power minus 1. So e and log cancels. X power minus 1 is nothing but 1 by x. So the answer is option D. The next problem, integrating factor of x into dy by dx plus 2y equal to x square, which is asked in the year 2017. Options are given below. The differential equation is x dy by dx plus 2y equal to x square. Dividing both sides by x, dy by dx plus 2y by x equal to x. P is 2 by x. Integrating factor e power integral 2 by x dx equal to e power 2 log x, which is e power log x square. So e and log cancels, which is x square. So the option is D. Next problem, the degree of the differential equation 1 plus dy by dx whole square equal to d square y by dx square is, which is asked in the year 2017. Options are 4, 1, 2 and 3. So here from the given equation 1 plus dy by dx whole square is d square y by dx square. So in this problem the highest derivative is 2 and power of it is 1. So order is 2 and degree is 1. So the answer is option B. Now the next column, the degree and order of the differential equation d square y by dx square equal to cube root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square is, which is asked in the year 2018. Options are given below. Given d square y by dx square equal to cube root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square. So now cubing on both sides. D square y by dx square whole cube equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square. Now in this equation the highest derivative is 2 and power of it is 3. So order is 2 and degree is 3. But in the question they have been asked degree and order. So the answer will be option B. So the answer is option. Now the next problem. The solution of the differential equation x dy by dx minus y equal to 3 represents a family of, which is asked in the year 2018. Options are straight lines, circles, parabolas, ellipses. The given differential equation is x dy by dx minus y equal to 3. Dividing both sides by x, dy by dx minus y by x equal to 3 by x, where p is minus 1 by x and q is 3 by x. Integrating factor e power integral minus 1 by x dx equal to e power minus log x, e power log x power minus 1 equal to 1 by x. The solution for the given equation is y into 1 by x equal to integral of 1 by x into 3 by x dx plus c. Y by x equal to, taking 3 outside, 1 by x into 1 by x will become 1 by x square dx plus c. Y by x equal to 3 into integral of 1 by x square. 1 by x square is nothing but x power minus 2. X power minus 2 can be taken as x power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So we get it as y by x equal to minus 3 by x plus c. Now taking LCM x and cross multiplying, we get y equal to minus 3 plus cx. Y equal to minus 3 plus cx, which is a straight line. So the option is A. Going to the next problem, the integrating factor of dy by dx plus y equal to 1 plus y by x is, which is asked in the year 2018. The options are given below. From the given differential equation, dy by dx plus y equal to 1 plus y by x. Dy by dx plus y equal to, if you splitting, it will be 1 by x plus y by x. Now shifting plus y by x to that side, dy by dx plus y minus y by x equal to 1 by x. So taking y outside, dy by dx plus y into 1 minus 1 by x equal to 1 by x, where the value of p is 1 minus 1 by x. Now the integrating factor is e power integral 1 minus 1 by x dx. So integration of 1 is x and integration of 1 by x is log x. So this we can write it as e power x into e power minus log x. So e power minus log x can be taken as e power log x power minus 1. So e and log will cancel, x power minus 1. So integrating factor is e power x divided by x. So the option is C. Now the next problem, integrating factor for 2x plus 3y square dy equal to y dx is, which is asked in the year 2019. The options are given below. From the given differential equation, we can write it as dx by y equal to 2x plus 3y square divided by y, which can be splitted as dx by y equal to 2x by y plus 3y. So dx by dy minus 2x by y equal to 3y, where p is minus 2 by y. The integrating factor e power integral minus 2 by y dy equal to e power minus 2 log y, e power log y power minus 2. E and log cancels, which is y power minus 2 is nothing but 1 by y square. So the option is B. Now the last and the next problem is the order of the differential equation y equal to c1 into e power c2 plus x plus c3 into e power c4 plus x is, which is asked in the year 2019. The options are given below. Y equal to c1 e power c2 plus x plus c3 e power c4 plus x can be written as y equal to c1 into e power c2 plus c3 into e power c4 into x, where c1, ec2, c3, ec4 are constant. I'll take it as capital A. So y equal to capital A into e power x. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equal to a into e power x, which is nothing but y. So dy by dx equal to y. So the order is 1. So the option is. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Yours Chiranjeevi. Thanks.